Hi, I'm Curtis with OPENTEXT CYBERSECURITY. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to explain, demonstrate, and show some of the data operators available in ArcSight Search. In this example, we'll be using these operators to help simplify, filter, and sort the information returned in our search results. In this Sigma use case, we've determined that there may be an issue with credential stuffing going on within the environment. We want to do a little bit of investigation using recon and our search operators. The good news is, built right into the recon search is some default queries like failed logins. So I don't have to specify a device type. My normalization allows me to see all the failed logons within my environment. If I do that search for the last 30 minutes, we get over 1,000 results very rapidly. And now we want to do some sort of filtering on this. We're going to use our stats operator with its count function to look for distinct destination usernames. We want to count these up by source host name. And we want to use the where operator to apply a filter to this data where we're going to count the distinct username. And we only want to see results where it's greater than 1. In this case, we can see that there are 3 hosts in the last 30 minutes that have tried to log in using more than one username. This could be indicative of some sort of credential stuffing or some other issue where people are switching users for nefarious reasons. I appreciate the time that you've given me today. For more information on ArcSight Search, please contact your account manager to schedule a demo or check out the links and resources below.